Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets insight and fun. Today we're diving into a product that's perfect for the tiniest hands looking to add a little spooky flair to their Halloween. Kiss imPRESS Mini Halloween Press-On Nails for Kids in the Amaze design. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss mani for your little one, this might just be your go-to. Let's take a closer look. The Kiss imPRESS Mini Halloween Press-On Nails for Kids come in a vibrant pink shade with a unique Squoval shape, perfect for little nails. These aren't just any press-ons though. The real magic happens when the lights go down. These nails glow in the dark, creating an extra fun element for Halloween night. The nails are also designed to be mess-free. That means no glue required, just peel, press, and go. What makes these press-ons stand out is how easy they are to use. The press-on nails come in a set of 20, all in child-friendly sizes, ensuring they fit comfortably on smaller hands. They're lightweight and flexible, perfect for all-day wear, whether it's a Halloween party or a playful afternoon. Even better, the set includes a mini nail file for any minor tweaks to shape, adding an extra level of DIY fun. I tried these with my niece to see how well they'd work for her, and let me tell you, she was thrilled. The application was a breeze. We simply peeled off the back of each nail, pressed them on, and voila, a cute festive mani. No mess, no glue, and best of all, no hassle. These nails held up through playtime, and my niece was able to remove them easily later on with no soaking or damage to her natural nails. It's a win for both parents and kids. When it comes to safety, these nails are mom-approved. They're non-toxic and safe for little ones, and because there's no glue, the risk of irritation or injury is minimal. The Breakaway application tabs ensure that removal is just as simple as application, so you won't need to worry about struggling to get them off. Now onto the pros and cons. Pros: no glue required. Simply peel, press, and go. Glow-in-the-dark feature adds a fun, spooky element for Halloween. Non-toxic and safe for kids' natural nails. Includes a mini nail file for adjustments. Comfortable Squoval shape that fits little nails. Easy to remove with no damage to natural nails. Cons: limited to child-sized nails. This product isn't suitable for adults or older kids with larger nails. The glow might not be super bright under very strong lights, but it's perfect in dim lighting. In terms of value for money, these nails are priced reasonably for the quality and convenience they offer. At just the right price point for a fun, one-off seasonal accessory, these nails are great for a hassle-free Halloween experience for your little ones. Plus, you get 20 nails in various sizes, so there's some flexibility in terms of fit and design. As for alternatives, there are other kids' press-on nail products out there. But what sets Kiss imPRESS apart is the glow-in-the-dark feature, which adds an extra level of fun, especially for Halloween. The no-glue application also makes it much easier for kids to apply themselves. If you're looking for a more permanent option or something fancier, you might consider other brand options. But for a temporary, safe, and super fun Halloween accessory, these nails are hard to beat. Now for build quality and longevity, these nails performed well throughout the day. The material was sturdy enough to last through my niece's activities without any issues, and the glow lasted a good amount of time when the lights dimmed. Since they're designed for kids, they hold up to the occasional bump or playful moment, but they are best for short-term wear, like for Halloween or a special event. If you've ever needed customer support for Kiss products, you'll know they are known for being responsive and helpful. I haven't had to reach out personally, but I've heard nothing but good things about their service. So, would I recommend the Kiss imPRESS Mini Halloween Press-On Nails for Kids? Absolutely. If you're looking for a safe, fun, and easy way for your little one to rock a festive Halloween look, these nails are a fantastic choice. They're easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and give you that perfect spooky vibe without the hassle of traditional nail polish. Plus, they're non-toxic, which is always a win in my book. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. The link to purchase these nails will be in the description box below. Have you tried these nails, or are you planning to? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.